Security Health Analytics is a native scanner in Cloud Security Command Center. It assesses the overall security state and activity of your virtual machines, containers, network, storage, and identity and access management policies. You can see a list of common vulnerabilities such as public storage buckets, open firewall ports, state encryption keys, or deactivated security logging. To enable Security Health Analytics, you must have the Organization Administrator Cloud Identity and Access Management role or the Security Center IAM role. When you're finished adding roles, click Save. After heading to your Cloud SCC dashboard, go to Settings in the upper right, then the Security Sources tab, and toggle on Security Health Analytics. Then you can find the Security Health Analytics card listing current findings. Currently in our environment, there are 3,000 plus findings. You can see examples of the types of findings by Security Health Analytics, like firewall rules that are configured to be open to public access, cloud storage buckets that are publicly accessible, instances configured with public IP addresses, instances with SSL not being enforced, or resources where the web UI isn't enabled. You can find a full list of vulnerabilities in the documentation. Drilling in, you can filter and view vulnerability findings in many different ways, like filtering on a specific finding type, source type, or findings changed. Each finding provider might also provide additional filters. You can also filter in the search bar for specifics like resource name. Security Health Analytics can automatically detect common vulnerabilities and misconfigurations across a multitude of GCP products, with more being added. In the Vulnerabilities dashboard, you can see a summary of the findings, the recommendation, and severity level. Let's check out No Root Password findings. Drilling in, you can see a short description of the issue, including the asset affected and what it was detected by. Under Attributes, you can see when it was most recently seen, when it was first found, and the source URI. The recommendation tells us to complete 3 simple steps to resolve this finding. You can easily head to the link, which actually takes you to the resource to fix the issue in a new tab. At the resource, all you need to do is follow the recommendations and click Save. Here, I'm adding a password for the root user on this Cloud SQL instance. Congratulations! You've enabled Security Health Analytics and learned how to respond to a finding from it.